If you like to exercise regularly or plan to do more workout, here is your chance to earn money while staying fit. What is LumiHealth? It's a reward system through the partnership between the Singapore government and Apple to encourage its citizens to stay fit with a condition to have an Apple Watch. This program is open to all Singapore residents with a SingPass account aged 17 years old and above. How LumiHealth works? First, wear your Apple Watch and pair it with your iPhone. Second, download the LumiHealth app. Sign up using your SingPass account. It will be linked automatically to your fitness app in the watch. Thirdly, complete the daily activity challenge or the wellness challenges to earn more coins, which can be redeemed into e-vouchers. How much can you earn from LumiHealth? You can earn up to $380 worth of e-voucher in 2 years. So far, I have been using the LumiHealth apps and my Apple Watch for close to 3 months, and I have earned up to $56. How to earn more coins in LumiHealth? There are 2 ways. First is to complete the activity challenge. Second is to complete the weekly wellness challenge. Activity challenge linked to the fitness app in the watch. So there are 3 types of activity that you can set your daily target, which is the move goal, stand goals, and exercise goal. Move meaning how many calories you want to burn in a day. Exercise, you can set how many minutes you want to do exercise every day. And stand goals, how many hours you would like to stand in a day. As long as you complete the activity challenge to close the activity range, you can earn up to 300 coins in a day. Wellness challenge, on the other hand, refresh every week, where you can get into the challenge to complete, such as to lodge in 15 or 30 minutes of exercise every day, or to follow a sleeping routine, or to add fiber in your diet. As long as you can complete the challenge, you can earn up to 2,000 to 3,000 coins. Whenever you earn coins, the little cute creature called Lu will be moving to achieve more milestones in the adventure journey. If you help Lu to achieve more milestones, meaning Lu will give you more chance to earn more coins, which can be redeemed into e-vouchers for shoppings. Before starting exercise, click this icon with a person running. Okay, there are a few workouts that you can choose, such as outdoor walk, outdoor cycle, strength training, running, yoga. You can even add a workout here to choose the activity you would like to perform. So as of now, I would like to do a run, so I will click outdoor run, open to start. Okay, I just completed my outdoor run today. Then I will press done. So this is the summary of my outdoor run. 19 minutes 36 seconds, 2.41 km. So you can set your daily activity target. No pressure, just according to your goals. Okay, personally, I have been using this app for 3 months. I think this is very encouraging because you can earn money while doing exercise. Isn't it exciting? At the same time, the coins that you earn in LumiHealth app can be redeemed as e-vouchers for shopping, which you can shop at 45 different merchants, including convenience stores such as 7-Eleven, supermarket, cold storage, fair price, lifestyle store such as iStudio, club, or cinema, and even normal F&B, which is the Koi or LiHo, or there are many choices. Yeah. So now I'm going to show you how to use the e-voucher instantly at 7-Eleven.
Okay, go to the apps now, right? Then keep in this coin. So they are now at $46.47. So just redeem coin. Let's try to use one $5. Press get e-voucher. Yep, so it just takes up to 30 seconds. Okay, it's done. So it's done, right? So where it is, it's in my wallet, available. Okay, so I need to press activate the e-voucher, and after I activate, I need to use do not activate. Oh, only when. Do you know I'm going to use the voucher? Like, you have the scanner?
This is my review on LumiHealth. Do comment below to share with us your thoughts if you are using or plan to use LumiHealth. If you enjoy content like this, do give us a like and subscribe to our channel. We post weekly. Stay tuned!